Hello guys, in this video, I'm going to walk you through how I look for good meme coins to buy. The steps are pretty much easy and this video will be valuable to you. So all I need to do, or what I do is simply come to this screen now. The first thing I scan through and see what is currently trending at the moment, and most times what I do, I like to the new pairs that market cap is pretty much low, something under 1 million market cap. And I can see all these ones that are being boosted. I don't really like boosted coins, so we're not good for them. And what I will simply do is very simple. I come to age and I start with age. So this is going to give me coins that are recently created, as you can see. But you can also see most of these coins, not all of them are under Solana. So I simply want those that are from Solana. So I'm going to click on Set, click on All Platforms. I'm going to click on Solana. I'm going to click on Save. I'll just click on Apply. So I do this, all the coins that is going to bring out for me will be the ones listed under Solana. So as you can see, this particular one, markup is about 278K. I think I like this. I need to do is simply open up in a new tab. I'll open up a couple of them, probably up to five. Also click on this. So it's going to give me coins that has profile. Get ensure this checked. So the coins will be the ones that already have profile, probably the ones that have paid their screen or stuff like that. So I'm going to open up few of them that are over that under 100 500k market cap or under 1 market cap. That I might look through them and see if I can um, find any good thing you get. So I think these ones I've opened are quite okay. I just have to wait for them to load up and then I do my thing. Very simple. This particular is called Q4, in the sense that we are in the last quarter of the year. I think that is what it means. And about 25 on trend, created about 1 hour ago. So when the chart loads up, basically all I need to do, I can use my bot, TTF bots to check if the liquidity is actually locked. And then I come to the chart, I'd see how much people are spending in this particular coin. All I'm seeing is people buying less than. Okay, this guy bought about $224. Get. I just need to know that people are interested in this particular coin. That's the most important thing. This $1 transaction that I'm seeing for almost similar wallet, it might actually be a big turnout. It might be that they're trying to just pump it, increase volumes to see that volume comes in, stuff like that. Because there are no people buying quite few, spending just $1. This might be a very big red flag. So all I need to do is to click on this funnel, click on $100 and see that people putting in large amount of money like $100 to this particular uh, coin. So you can see the last time somebody put in money was about 20 seconds ago, and it's milli sell off you get that's happening in this particular coin. So it's either I check Twitter to see if the coin is trendy, or I potentially hold the coin and buy at the deep, because there are not much people buying this particular coin, and you should put in mind that all the coins on this coin and my own meme coin might potentially go to zero. You should put that in mind. So if I'm seeing a lot of buys in, I'll be so excited to buy. But most of the things I'm seeing here is usually say few buys are more say transactions. So that being said, I can simply put this in like 1 minute, 5 minutes, and see what's actually going on with the chart, and then wait look for engine first. Um, let's say if you get to this particular range, buy the coin, and once it pump, like I said, get something like quick S get, but this is not actually a very good IG coin. There's not much volume coming to the coin. It's 20k volume, but the sales are much. I might try to just put in one or two and see if it might go well or not. Okay, let's check the next one. This particular one, I can see this what I saw, as you can see, there are more people buying in this particular coin, like putting in amount of money than the previous one. You can see $100, 89, $69 you get than the previous one. Just got about 47 minutes ago. So this I might more likely invest in this particular one than the previous one you get. But all I need to do is very the same. I need to be safe, not to lose my money. So still have to check liquidity is actually locked, check top 10 orders, check Twitter to see what is actually going on this particular coin. Especially put it in 1 minute and wait for a dip before I buy the coin. Get so to some of you, 100K is actually a dip you get, but 80K is also a dip you get. For a coin that has gone to 140K before, people who bought at this particular region, you get that took over this particular place. I'll have to wait for it to like dip you get a little bit, buy and take a profit. You can see trading coin is absolutely easy, very much easy. And guys, if this is your first time watching my video, please do to like this video, go to subscribe button on the bell icon. So guys, the next is we need to check in this other one. Um, again, about 41K to have volume coming to this particular coin. I think this particular one is about 10 on 20. This is actually a very good coin, and it's like I caught this very early. Already have about 1,000 orders. So you all know I have to check if liquidity is actually low before I get into the coin. And put it in 5 minutes, do a retracement and buy. So you can see trading is very much easy. Trading market is very easy if you know what you are doing. Get all you need to do is to come to this screener and just look for coins that are under 1 million market cap and buy. You can also trade coins that are above 1 million market cap. But the reason why I prefer coins with lower market cap is because a coin at 100K market cap already, if that coin goes to 1 million market cap, that is like a 10x already. But a coin at 1 million market cap, if it goes to 10 million, that is 10x. But a coin at 100K market cap goes to 1 million, that's like 100x. Like it make much more s if the market cap is very low. That's why I prefer coins with low market cap. You get. So and guys, just like I said, there's always a top. You get. It is best you buy when there's dip. This place is actually a top. Yeah, it is a top because you get to this particular place, the retracement, get to this particular place. Like this, actually a very nice pump it has made since it moved from 100K to 200K. This is like 2S. There are people that will take profit and will check the transactions. People sell it or people taking profit at this particular place. So all you need to do is simply wait. The coin still has volume for the coin still has volume. People are still going to buy it. You simply wait. Once there is a pump, maybe 200K, you buy and you take profit. But if you have money, you can still buy this particular place and potentially and take profit when it gets to 100K market cap. You get most people will take profit at 100K market cap, 1 million market cap. You get, but just do your thing. You get, do your thing. Know when to exit, know when to enter. Understand? So, guys, basically, this I kind of trade meme coin. And guys, there's also a bot that help you that save you from all this stress. What this bot does is to suggest good coins from you with good liquidity, coins that are not well get. And if you get into this particular coin, you can make good money. You can make money off those particular coins. The link to that platform is called atm.d. The link will be in the description box. You can use the particular link. Check this platform out. So guys, if I need the helpful, please do to like, subscribe on the bell icon. I'll see you in my next video. Peace out.